Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my previous video I told you that I had a problem with the passenger side window failing to go up or down, and I showed how I removed the door card to get access to the window regulator assembly. I've put a link to that video in the description below. This video will show how I removed the window regulator assembly from inside the door. The first step to remove the window regulator assembly is to detach the window from the carriage on each track. There are two bolts, the first of which is here. In my situation, the window would not go down, so I pushed it halfway down by hand to make the bolt accessible. I then removed it using a 10mm spanner. I reinsert the bolt so as not to misplace it. The second bolt is located here. I remove it using a 10mm socket and ratchet. Again, I reinsert the bolt so as not to misplace it. To remove the window regulator, it's easy to have the window in the up position, so to hold it in place I'm using strong waterproof gaffer tape. The cardboard on the centre of the tape is used to stop the tape from sticking to the window rubbers. I placed a prop inside the door to stop the window from falling and then pushed the window up by hand. I then applied the gaffer tape. Later, any gaffer tape residue left on the glass can be removed with something like WD-40 and a cloth. I can now remove the window regulator assembly. It's held in place by 5 bolts which are removed using the 10mm socket and ratchet. I remove the window motor plug by pushing the securing clip up and pulling the plug out of the socket. Usually you'd extract the assembly in one piece because the wire tension holds everything together, but because something's failed you can see that I'm having to remove individual parts of the assembly. So that's the removal of the window regulator assembly complete. If you like the video, I'll be grateful if you can give it a thumbs up. In my next video, I'll be looking at what the problem is, fixing it and reinstalling everything to get a working window. So if you'd like to see that video and more of my future videos, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you next time.